What video am I gonna make? What video am I gonna make? What video am I gonna make? Have you ever spent hours or days trying to come up with the perfect video idea only to get to the end of that week and you haven't made a video? And then another week goes by and you haven't made a video. And you're still brainstorming and coming up with ideas and you still haven't done it. And you still haven't done it, and you still haven't done it. In this video, I want to share an idea with you and set up a challenge for you that just might help you get out of that pattern of endless research and indecision. I want you to get out a pen and paper or your notes or your phone or whatever and just stream of consciousness, write down the first 10 video ideas that come to your mind in your channel's niche. If you haven't defined your niche yet, drop a comment below and we'll see if we can help you work out a good focus for your channel. This stream of consciousness writing is just going to help you to go with your gut. For this exercise, don't even go down the rabbit hole of how to find the perfect video idea or keyword research. Nothing. Don't research your competitors. Don't worry about what other people are doing. This is about getting out of your head and just getting something done. You've got your 10 video ideas and I don't want this to have taken you more than 10 minutes. Literally set a timer. Now I want you to go through that list of ideas and get rid of all the ideas that don't fit into a 2-minute video. Now just pick one at random and make that video. Let me know in the comments what you've decided on or what you're tossing up between, and within 2 days, I want you to drop the link to your 2-minute video in the comments and let me know if you'd like feedback or if you just want to share what you've been working on, and you would best believe I will be watching them all. If you know anyone you think might benefit from taking part in this challenge, I'd be so grateful if you could share this video with them. That helps my little channel to grow, and my hope is that this exercise also helps all of your channels to grow. If you'd like more help with getting out of your head and growing on YouTube, be sure to subscribe. I'm sharing tutorials and hosting Q&As with fellow YouTubers who have been sharing a ton of wisdom from their journeys on YouTube. There's so much to learn, but don't let the learning get in the way of the doing. I'm very much looking forward to checking out the 2-minute videos you all come up with.